I can't do that shit. It's like weird as fuck. It's like, it's like,
Mr. President, we have a national emergency.
A nuclear weapon atop a ballistic missile has been launched from a freighter off the coast of the United States.
it is a nice day.
Get heaven!
A popular myth about nuclear explosions is that fallout radiation can penetrate everything with deadly risk. That's a myth. Of the many things that will, that won't save you.
Wow! Now look here, ma'am. Do you have any idea why I stopped you?
Cause I'm a pit.
No. Options is
Hello, class. I am what you call a gamma ray. That flash over there, that was called a nuclear bomb explosion. I was released from that explosion. Now watch with this. Doesn't stop me from doing. Oh, they thought they were safe. Driver now has cancer. Cop now has cancer. I have arrived.
Here are a bunch of facts about surviving a nuclear. A nuclear bomb is coming. You should make psychological preparations, like have access and build a fallout shelter, and store food, water, and other.
Exactly what supplies?
Basically, all you need is beds, bedding, toilet, polythene bags, tables, stools, cups, knives, forks, can opener, cooking utensils, kerosene cooker, kerosene lamp, kerosene, candles, safety matches, hand basin, calendar, paper towels, garbage can, garbage bag, shovel, broom, battery radio, and spare batteries.
To survive in a nuclear shelter is a filtered ventilation system,
An entrance designed to reduce fallout exposure.
a back or emergency exit in case you really need to get out,
And crack!
A chemical toilet or an emergency toilet to take a dump.
running water, because what are you going to do without water?
Artificial light sources like Christmas lights.
Heat source, aka a stove.
And crack!
Basic furnishings including beds to sleep on.
Radio so you can know what is going on.
And coffee.
A first aid kit with Hello Kitty band-aids.
And crack!
I hate when I go on chat roulette and all I see is penis.
Various other supplies including books, games, clothing, fun foods, tools, spare batteries.
You need to learn what actions you should take at the time of an attack, like you should be aware of alert signals, make sure that you hear the attack warning, if not you're just going to end up dying. You should improvise by using a basement or something that you have in your house, and if you hear the attention or alert signal, you tune to radios and TV broadcasts to inform yourself of any type of alert that's going on at the time, and stay tuned for as long as
Event of attack. Get at least 10 miles away from all possible nuclear targets. Seek private shelter at home. Seek public shelter in your community. Leave your community to seek shelter in a less dangerous area. If you see a flash, take cover instantly. Close your eyes. Act as quickly as possible and take cover in protective areas such as a building, basement, or ditch. I wouldn't suggest a ditch. Then take a curl up position and cover your head with your arms and hands, and then move to a fallout shelter later. So basically, duck and cover.
The last two? Oh. Basically, the more shielding you have between you and the actual explosion, and the more heavy and the dense the material is, the safer you are from the actual radiation. And the longer you survive, are in it, basically, as long as the bomb goes off and you take long enough time underground, you won't be able to survive when you're in the underground bomb shelter.
One myth about nuclear bombs is that they can be held in small items.
Like pie.
Pie. Oh, you mean this pie! I was saving it in my pocket for us to share. Let's eat. Oops.
Another way. Go! Abrado. Missed.
3 Willie.
3 Willie?
So,
a popular, or once popular, method for escaping nuclear rays was
Make out with me, Samaje.
The fuck was that?
I love this guy.
What?
We need to see this one YouTube video. It's called Pappy. It's called So when's the part where we take off our pants?